it's Laura and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming a full handbag collection. If any of you know me, you know that I love my handbags, especially my big slouchy ones. I love thrifting handbags and I've had a lot of luck with them recently. So yeah, I'm going to give you my full collection and I'll tell you where it's from, and yeah, a lot of these are thrifted. Well, a lot of the ones I use every day are thrifted, but I don't know where to start. I think we'll start with one of my most exciting ones. I thrifted this literally yesterday. Oh, it is raining. This is my new Guess handbag. This is my new Guess handbag. I'm hoping it's focusing. It's real and it's beautiful. I got it for, you're not gonna believe this, €5 in a charity shop yesterday. It has, I want to say zebra print on the inside. Oh, it has some glue leak. It has a zipper pocket and then closes shut like this, and it's just like a monogram one. Really versatile, like great color handbag to have. I feel like I wear so many brown beigey handbags, so I'm really excited about this one. It's smaller than what I usually have, but I feel like it'll still fit so much, so it'll be better on the days I don't need a huge bag. But it is like nearly perfect condition. I'm gonna follow this up with another Guess handbag. This one, if you watched my thrift flip video, you've seen it. It's gonna be really loud. Wait. It has a chain, and then I got this off Adverts, which is a second-hand site in Ireland. It is fraying, or the leather's flaking, unfortunately, and it's ripped on the inside, so I need to fix it. But it's so cool, like the inside's all monogram, but the problem is the zip is stuck. I paid €15 for this one and then €5 shipping, but it's peeling, so I wouldn't have done that if I knew. The next few I'm going to show you are all going to be big bags. This bag was my mom's and I only recently discovered it and really liked it. I don't wear very many crossbodies, but it's like metallic, if you can see. I don't know if you can see. And the thing I love about it is that when you're wearing a crossbody, it slouches like this. I think it might be suede, but it's really hard to tell. The inside looks like suede, but it's silver metallic. I don't know if it picks up on camera, and I thought it'd be so nice for like a festival or a concert. I've worn it to loads of concerts. Next up, we have another bag that I thrifted. I didn't thrift that, but that one was my mom's, hand me down. This one, I'm obsessed. The brand is Susie Smith London. I don't know if that's like a good brand or anything. I know nothing about it, but it has this gold heart on the front, and then it's just this big slouchy green bag. I love the shape. It fits so much and keeps its shape. It's amazing. I just have painkillers in here right now. It was €20 in the charity shop, but I waited for a sale and then it was 10, which I'm more than happy with because I don't know if it's real leather or not, but it's great quality. Another thrift find from the same charity shop. This one's heavy because this is my everyday bag at the moment. It's got all my stuff in here. Let me know if you ever want a what's in my everyday bag video, because I will do one. I love this bag. I didn't know if I would use it that much because the color, I've literally used it every day since I got it like 3 weeks ago. It was €3 and it was brand new with tags. It's actually from Dunnes stores initially, but the side details are everything. And I usually wear gold, but I wear silver sometimes. Like right now I'm wearing silver. Like I'd wear this with the outfit I have on right now. All of the details are just perfect, and this like bit, I don't know what you call it, but it's a great size. It's kind of like a bowling bag shape, and again, I've been bringing this thrifting and it actually fits so much. I fit like 2 jumpers, a jacket and a skirt and 2 t-shirts in here yesterday. It was very impressive. This next one is my favorite bag. I've worn this to death, to be honest. Everyone has seen me wear this. Everyone that knows me, I bring this to the pub, I bring it to parties, I bring it shopping. It goes everywhere with me. This was my mom's bag. It is a Marc Jacobs brown leather bag with gold, and it just goes with so much of what I wear. It's so like Serena van der Woodsen to me. I love it. Yeah, this bag is perfect. It's just like a button closure and it just slouches. It's gorgeous. This one I also took from my mom's wardrobe, but I haven't worn it yet. I don't know if I will, but I might decide. I do like it. It just doesn't, I'd never reach for it over one of these, but it's this Calvin Klein bag. I don't know how to describe the fabric, to be quite honest with you. It's like, it makes that noise. I don't know, but it's really nice. I like the buckles, and it's a cool shape. You undo it like a belt. It says Calvin Klein. See, there's just so much storage, so I've just held on to it because I think it'd be great for college. It does have like a pink stain on the inside. I have no idea. My mom must have been carrying around a marker or something, but you can barely see it through the bag, so it's okay. This one, to be honest, needs to be retired because I wore it to death this year as well. While I was doing my exams, I was doing these grinds, the institute grinds on the weekends. If you're from Dublin, I'm sure you know what that is, but it's just a Longchamp bag. I do really like it, and it's just really handy. It's not particularly my style, but you know, when you're carrying books and everything, it's just really comfy. But there's holes in the corners now. I might replace it though. I think I'd get either a cream one, a red one, or a black one. Before I get onto my like lesser worn bags, I'll tell you what bags I'm on the hunt for right now. I really want a Paddington bag, like a Chloe Paddington bag. And as well as that, I want like a little, not a too little black shoulder bag, but one with like big chunky pockets and everything, and gold hardware. I want a red bag and a gold bag. So I'd take any one of those as the Paddington, and then, but I think a red bag, a black bag, and a gold bag would be really handy. I love wearing gold, so I think I'd wear it with so much. We're gonna pile up here. Then we have my small bags. These ones are kind of random. So first one, I have this black shoulder bag, which is just from Penny's. It's really flimsy. I got it to go to my 6-year holiday. Get just like a cheap one that I won't be sad if it breaks, but it didn't break, so I still have it, and it'll come in handy sometimes when I'm going out. Sometimes you have to just get the cheap option. This is another black bag I have. I don't really wear this that much anymore either, but it's from Brandy Melville, and it used to be really my style. I was obsessed with it. Probably has loads of stuff in it. This one I actually do really like. It's from Zara. It's this green y2k style, again, like shoulder bag. It has a longer strap, which means it's more comfy. It has gold hardware, which I love. But yeah, it's the same like kind of crocodile faux leather. And I've had it for a couple of years now, and it's pretty durable. Like it's stood the test of time, so I like that one. I have this bag, which I thrifted. I wore this to death as well. Crossbody bag. It's really sweet. It is kind of breaking. I'm gonna try to fix it though, but it's not really my style anymore, so I think I'm gonna put this one on my depop. Then this one, I've been wanting to put on my depop for a while, but it's kind of not in the best condition. The paint's peeling, so I might just put it in a charity bag. It's a Pull & Bear satchel, crossbody as well. This one would be great for school. It'd definitely fit a laptop. Yeah, it's old Pull & Bear. It is very cute. I love the little logo on it. I really hope this is in focus. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope I gave you some bag inspiration if you've been looking for any. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about anything. Yeah, I so recommend, I mean honestly, all the ones I've like thrifted that are up here that I showed you at the beginning, I recommend all of those so much. They're all great, really good quality, and I think they'll last me forever. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!